Okay, sorting and ranking. So we have sort methods. Okay. And the first one is sort index, and this is not permanent. Okay, so index gets sorted, okay, but it's not permanent because the original is not changed. So if you want to make it permanent, you have to do sort index in place equal to true. Okay, so I'm not going to do it, but that's what you should do if you want it to be permanent. And you can change the column order with reindex. Okay, we've already seen that. Now, if you want to sort the column labels, okay, then you do sort index x is equal to 1. Okay. Now, it's already in sorted order, so you can't see the difference. So let's to see the difference, let's do ascending equal to false. So then you can see the sorting. So it goes the other way around. Okay. So this is sorting of the index of the data frame. Okay. Now you can sort the values. So you have sort values. Okay. So now you have to give sort values by what? Okay. So you can say sort values by this column E, D, or B, or you can say rows, in which case you have to change it to axis. Okay, change axis to 1. Okay. So right now, let's say we want to sort by D. Okay. So the whole thing is sorted by D. Okay. If you want to sort by, say, Ohio, okay, then we have to say axis is 1. Okay, so then it takes Ohio and looks at the different column values and sorts it by that. Okay. And again, you can have ascending equal to false. Otherwise, default is ascending equal to true. Now we have, similar to sorting, we have what is called ranking. Okay. Ranking assigns rank 1 through the number of valid data points in the array. Okay. So we have, say, df1, right? So these are the values. So if I say df1 rank, okay, so it will take each column and then rank the row values. So default axis is axis 0. So it takes this column and then ranks it by the row. The smallest value gets rank 1, second smallest, third smallest, and then. So here, that's number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? Now, if you want the rank to be the other way around, then you have to say x is equal to 1. Then the rank will be based on the values in the columns. Okay, for each row, the values on the columns will be ranked. Now, when you have duplicate labels, then you have some properties that we can use called is it unique? Okay. So let's look at a series, SCR1 equal to PD series range 5, okay, and index equal to okay. So we have a small series. Okay, but these are the indexes. Then we can check whether the indexes are, there are any duplicates in the indexes. So we can say series 1 index is unique. So it will tell you true or false. Okay, this may be a very useful thing when you're dealing with a big data frame and you want to see whether there are any duplicates or not. Okay. Now, indexing on a duplicate key, we already seen this before. So when you try to index with an index that is a duplicate index, then all the index labels that satisfies the condition will be returned. This is for series, and if you have data frame, it works the same way in data frame as well. So data frame NP random rand n 4/3 with index equal to that. Here we have only 4 rows, so we need 4 labels. Okay. I just did DF, so let's say DF. So the column names are by default numbers 0, 1, 2. Okay. So when you have multiple duplicate labels, okay, when you access by a label, it's going to fetch all the rows that satisfies the index. Okay, so that's see, it works like in the series. So it's pretty straightforward.